Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This is your extended love reading for the month of June. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I have already uploaded your main reading and your general reading. You can have a look on that too. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Okay. But I already told you in your main reading that there is someone who is feeling like an hangman. Either this is your energy or this is your person's energy. But I think this is your energy. You are feeling like an hangman. You are getting the thoughts, you know what are the answers, but you still feeling like an hangman. You don't know what to do right now. You are resting and you're rejuvenating yourself. Okay, with the Four of Swords, you're doing your healing, and that's good here. There is someone from your past who is coming towards you, who is keeping an eye on you. That two Page of Swords energy was there, so they're keeping an eye on you through social media apps. They are spying on you, basically, that what my Aquarius are up to. They're gaining the strength card was there here, so they're gaining the strength to approach you. This person loves you a lot here, Aquarius. They are having a lot of emotions, basically, to give to my Aquarius. Okay, so they want to give you a lot of love, a cup which is full of emotions, which is the Ace of Cups. Okay, so this is the cup which is full of emotions. Emotional fulfillment is here, so you ignite the passion in them here. And this is someone who is your twin flame, 1111 card. But you are not available here, Aquarius, emotionally. You are emotionally detached right now. You are in the King of Swords energy. So now let's start your clarification and let's see why this is happening. Because of the conflicts. Okay, maybe with this person you are having a lot of fighting, drama, conflicts, competition, and because of that you are holding back your energy. With the Four of Pentacles, you are not opening up. Can you see it? Just cut it out. Five of Swords. Yes, with this person there was a lot of conflicts, lot of fighting, drama, competition here. Maybe you can see the number synchronicities of 550, 555, 055, but lot of five energies is here. So with this person you were having lot of fighting, competition. Okay, that's why you are holding back. You are not ready to open up yourself here. So now let's start your clarification and let's see what is. Yeah, they are coming towards you here. See, I told you. They're keeping an eye on you with the Page of Swords, but they want to give you commitment here, Aquarius, with the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, they want to give you commitment. They want to give you an offer which you can touch. Ace of Pentacles is some solid committed offer which you can touch. So there are three aces in your reading. They want to create happy family, happy life with you. Ten of Pentacles, abundance of everything. They are wishing for you, the Star, but you are feeling like an hangman here, Aquarius. That's your energy. You're feeling like an hangman. And there is a lot of six energy too. Six of Swords, Six of Wands. So a lot of six energy is also here. So let's start your reading. Today's reading is very much clear. I don't think that there is any clarification required, but let's see. Let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages. Help me out in this clarification of Aquarius reading. Okay, why there is Queen of Cups here? Clarify me, Queen of Cups. They want to give you commitment. The bottom of the deck, I'm having Nine of Swords. They cannot sleep at night here. Maybe this, you can see number synchronicities of 9, 6 here, Aquarius. They want to give you equal amount of give and take. Okay, so this can be your energy too. Wow. Wow. This is your twin flame. This is your soulmate, that can be a possibility too here, because I was getting the Six of Cups energy here. Can you see? They cannot sleep at night at all. They want to give you equal amount of give and take. King of Swords and the Queen of Swords. Here I'm having the power couple, but you are right now, your guards are up, your self defensive mode is on. You are not ready to allow, you're not allowing anyone to enter in your aura basically. You're not accepting the cup. Okay, so they are coming towards you here, Aquarius. Where is that card? Justice, Knight of Pentacle, Page of Cups. So they took long period of time to approach you here. Baby, right now you cannot see that they're coming, but they're coming with a small offer, a small message, that hi Aquarius, or an apology. Page of Cups also resembles the apology. So maybe they will message you and say, hi Aquarius, I'm sorry, or how are you? But some small message or initiation will be happen, and that is happening because that's the karmic justice which is going to serve in your case. Okay, they want to move in a forward direction. Wow. Can you see? The Chariot, the Tower, and the Lover. So some big unexpected changes are coming in your life. That's the karmic justice which has been served in your case. Clarify me, Ace of Cups. They put you in a third party situation. Okay. Lot of cards. They broke your heart. That's why you're not ready to, you are not ready to open up here. You're not in your emotions at all. Someone broke your heart, or this person broke your heart. They put you in a third party situation here. That's why you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. And now they're coming towards you. The Emperor. Bottom of the deck I'm having again, see Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is being clarified by the Ace of Cups. Can you see? So yes, this person broke your heart. They put you in a third party situation. This person is someone who is an authoritative person. Maybe they love to wear the bands, hair bands, the leather shoes. This is someone who knows how to rule their government, how to rule the kingdom. Maybe this can be a business person. Okay. They love to wear nice clothes, the branded clothes. Maybe this person has tattoos on the arms here somewhere. They can be having a beard too. Okay, so yes. See, I told you, lot of 6 energy is here. So this person broke your heart here, but now they can see that you are single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Okay, they broke your heart here, and they were not sorry at all by doing that. Can you see how adamant, word I'm getting, how adamant and arrogant he is sitting like that? But now they want to offer you a cup which is full of emotions here. Ace of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Wands, Six of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. Again, the second pair is here, second power couple. This is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with whom you are having a destiny, with whom the divine has already have the planning to stay with them basically. You are destined to be together basically. So yes, you're going to come together here, Aquarius. They see you as someone who is very passionate, very creative, attractive. You're single, you're happy, you're abundant. This is the pre-empress mode. Nine of Pentacles is the pre-empress mode here. Can you see how this person is looking here? You are single, you are enjoying your singlehood, and this person is looking towards that. Why my Aquarius are so happy without me? That's the message I'm getting here. But yes, they want to give you Ace of Cups. They want to offer their heart basically. Their heart, their love to you basically. Okay, maybe in the past this person broke your heart, but now they want to offer this cup again. And now it's your choice to accept it or not. That's your own choice, own life. I am not in your shoes. Okay, but this person wants to give you Ace of Cups. Why there is Ace of Wands here? Wow. Wow. Ace of Wands is being clarified by the Ace of Wands. Okay. I told you they're rushing towards you. Some kind of toxicity is attached to this person or to your relationship here, Aquarius. Because here I'm having there was an energy here. Okay, maybe this person was carrying lot of burdens on their shoulders here, the Ten of Wands. They treated you wrong, that's why they're carrying lot of burdens. There is lot of energy in these two cards here. Some toxicity is attached to this relationship or to your person or to your relationship. And what's that toxicity? Maybe this person juggles a lot between two persons or two relationships. Okay, there was no balance in a situation, there no balance in a relationship with the Two of Pentacles, but now they are rushing towards you. Can you see Four of Swords, Four of Wands and the Four of Wands? Okay, again 11 twin flame. This is your twin flame connection here, Aquarius. You are dealing with your twin flame, but there is a no balance here, what I can see. Okay, you ignite the passion in them, they are having thoughts about you in their mind here. Can you see? And they want to come towards you. Maybe they're coming at a very high pace, they're rushing towards you here. That where is my Aquarius? Okay. But yes, there is no balance in a situation. 1133 is the recording reading time. There is no balance in your situation. Some kind of toxicity is attached to this relationship. See, I told you, Six of Cup again. This is someone who is your soulmate, or this is someone who is your twin flame. You are dealing with someone with whom you are having a soul connection with. This is not a normal connection here, Aquarius. Okay, so Six of Cups energy again. So yes, this is someone with whom you have shared many past lives together. Okay, see, Ace of Swords. They have the clarity, you also have the clarity about this person. Clarify me Four of Wands. Again the same thing. Can you see it just want to come like this? Chariot, bottom of the deck again I'm having Chariot. They want to move in a forward direction with you here. Right now your guards are up. Either you are unable to sleep at night or this person is unable to sleep at night, but they want to give you equal amount of give and take. Whatever imbalance was there was an imbalance in a situation. Either you were giving a lot in a relationship or your person was giving a lot in a relationship. But what I can see is that you were only the person who was giving a lot in a relationship, and there was no balance in a situation. That create toxicity, that create devil energy in your relationship. But now they're coming towards you with an equal amount of give and take here. Six of Pentacles. Okay, just I was starting the reading, I got the 8 number here, and I don't know where it came from basically. 8, that's the infinity sign here. And can you see in this picture there is an 8, infinity. With this person you have the infinite relationship. Bottom of the deck also I'm having the Strength. There is an infinite symbol here on the crown. So this is a relationship with whom you have to be with basically. Okay, so yes, they are coming towards you, Aquarius, but you are not, your guards are up, you're protecting your energy, you're saying no more toxicity in my life, I'm not going to open up. So that's what your attitude is right now. 1414 is the recording reading time. Okay, but they're coming towards you with an equal amount of give and take. Okay, clarify me King of Swords. Why this is King of Swords is here, the Hermit. You are doing your soul searching here, Aquarius. Yes, the Hermit, the Seven of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. So you are moving in a forward direction here. You're doing your soul searching. You are waiting your seeds to grow. You're looking your answers, that what my soul wants basically. What does my soul want basically? doing your soul searching here. Three of Pentacles. Yes, you don't want third party situation in your life, and there was a third party situation in this relationship. That's why you are holding back. Four of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and the Judgment. That's why you create a judgment for your life that I don't want this energy in my life at all. Three of Swords. This person is keeping an eye on you, definitely. Page of Swords is here again. So yes, that was your extended reading. Let me see what is the guidance. What is the guidance from the universe? What is the guidance here? Please give me the guidance, advice for this reading. Help me out to give the guidance. What is the guidance? What is the advice for this relationship, for this reading? Queen of Pentacles, Five of Cups. Please give me the guidance. Queen of Wands, Four of Swords, Two of Swords, the Empress. Wow. A lot of communication is coming towards you here, Aquarius. Okay. Six of Wands, Six of Swords. See, I told you, High Priestess. I told you a lot of six energy is here in today's reading. Use your intuitions. High Priestess is here. Six of Swords, Six of Wands. Communication will be coming towards you. Maybe this person will communicate with you. Lot of communication will come towards you, but you're going to get success, recognition, victory. You will come towards the calmer waters after this communication with this person. Right now you are taking the energy of the Empress here, Aquarius, and here I'm having Emperor too. Okay, so this is someone with whom you are destined to be. Okay, you both are destined to be together here. Emperor and the Empress both are here. So yes, this is your soulmate, or this can be your twin flame connection here. Here I'm having, this is someone, Queen of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Queen of Wands, Four of Swords. So you are taking care, you are resting, you are rejuvenating yourself, but don't be in this energy of Five of Cups. Five of Cups is an energy of sad, remorse, guilt, sorry about whatever has happened in the past. So don't be in this energy of Five of Cups. Maybe right now you cannot be able to make a decision with the Two of Swords. Okay, but soon you will be able to make a decision after the communication which is coming towards you with the Eight of Wands. So a lot of communication is coming towards you. So that's what I am having here for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner here. Take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.